Welcome to Module 8.23, Research Resources Review. As you prepare to continue your development as a researcher, it's helpful to know where to turn for guidance, tools, and opportunities. This module introduces key resources that can support your learning and engagement with the broader research community, from methodology references and professional development platforms to public health-specific outlets and funding avenues. To maintain and deepen your research design skills, start with key texts that offer foundational and advanced perspectives in your methodological area. Explore online methodology repositories such as SAGE Research Methods, which include case studies, how-to guides, and videos. Use statistical and qualitative analysis resources like UCLA's Statistics Online Computational Resource or NVIVO tutorials. Turn to professional associations like APHA, AERA, or APA for guidance and position papers on methods. Keep up with the latest through methods-focused journals such as Field Methods, Evaluation Review, and the Journal of Mixed Methods Research. Build your research capacity through ongoing webinars and workshops hosted by universities, associations, and research institutes. Consider enrolling in online courses or certifications to build technical expertise in areas like data analysis, grant writing, or program evaluation. Attend conferences not only to present your work, but to engage with new ideas and expand your professional circle. Seek out mentorship programs where you can learn from experienced researchers or serve as a mentor yourself. And join research networks, both local and international, to stay connected to emerging collaborations and communities of practice. For those focused on public health, consider connecting with research centers at universities or institutions like the CDC or WHO. Access data repositories such as ICPSR, HealthData.gov, or local health departments to explore datasets for secondary analysis. Stay current on funding opportunities from NIH, RWJF, and other public or nonprofit sources. Engage in collaborative initiatives such as multi-site studies, coalition-led evaluations, or community-based participatory research. And target the right publication outlets for your work, including open access journals, practitioner bulletins, and public health briefs.